we present you a new video. We hope you find it useful. In the future, I will present you with other interesting videos. Subscribe and you won't miss them. BMW E39 does not start. Why? When the car engine stops while driving, or does not start, this can be one of the reasons. Remove the back seat. Remove the electrical connection of the fuel pump. Check that the fuel pump in the tank is powered when you turn on the ignition. Check if the electrical fuse is switched off. This is located at the top of the glove box. To reach the fuel pump relay, it is necessary to remove the glove box. To remove the relay support, it is necessary to remove this plastic pin. It also has a 10 mm plastic nut in the lower part. And 2 more plastic nuts in the upper part. The light green relay is the fuel pump relay. Faulty fuel pump relay. The part code is 613683373700. This is the new relay that we will install. After replacing the relay, we turn on the ignition and now we have electrical supply in the fuel pump socket. We put the ignition on and start the car, everything is fine. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.